Hey guys, it's Shuka here. If you have children tablets in your house or you're planning to buy children's tablet for your kids, make sure to watch this video. Alright, this video will save a lot of money for you. Alright, now there are this common issue with children's tablet, and to fix that issue is very easy. Alright, but if you don't know how to go about it, you will take it to phone repair shop, you bring it to us, and we'll charge you money to do it. All right, so watch this video to the end. A lot of things can cause children's tablet to hang and make the touchpad not to work. Kids will always be kids. Maybe they throw the phone on the floor, or they rough play with the phone and the phone start hanging. Certainly they will bring the phone to you that their phone is no longer working. Now at this stage, you find out that you cannot off the phone, because when you press the power off, you cannot touch the screen to turn the phone off. Now what you do is look below the power key. Immediately below the power key, you see a tiny hole. That tiny hole is a restart key for the tablet, and all you have to do is to use a pin and shoot there, then the phone will turn off by itself. Give the phone a few seconds, then use the power on key to turn it back on. When the phone is finally turned on, then you will notice that the sensor will start to work again. Thank you for watching. If you get value from this video, do well to like and share this video.